friends, welcome to my C++ tutorial. So today we will learn for loop. So why loops? So in programs sometimes we have to do something, the same work again and again. So like let me ask that what will be the sum of first 10 numbers, first 10 positive numbers, like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So then you have to add one by one, like 1 plus 2, then it will be 3, then 3 plus 3, then it will be 6, 6 plus 4, it will be 10, and so on. So but this will be hectic if you have to do this 1,000 times or million times. Then it will be hectic. You cannot write in such a wild way. Okay, but you can just do it with some nice things, which is called loops. Okay, so for that, just let me define that for. So for this is a loop, and there will be some iterator. So this integer I is called iterator. So for which I am looping around. So this is maybe I is equals to 1 2, then there will be a semicolon, then after that I is less than equals to 10, then I plus plus. That means that I will increase by 1. Okay, or you can just okay, so then just see out I, simply see out I. Then what will happen? Let us see that okay, so just let me just close it and then run it. Okay, okay, so for that let me just open the terminal, cd codes, then what is the name for my code? That is looping.c. so looping.cc minus o looping, actually looping.o maybe. So looping.o, and it is printing 1 to 10. So you don't have to write that cout 1, cout 2, cout 3, and so on. So you just have written that printed that 1 to 10 it is printing. So if you want to add this, so for that let me just do it in a simple way. So double, not double even, this is the integer sum. So integer int answer is equals to 0 maybe, and then just add answer is equals to answer plus I. So then at each step this I will be added to this answer. So in the first stage this answer will be 0 and I is equals to 1, so 0 plus 1 will be 1. Then in the next step answer will be 1 because it is 1 in the last step. So answer is equals to 1, then I is equals to 2, then 1 plus 2 is equals to 3, then 3 is stored in answer. Then in the next step in this answer there will be stored 3, and then I is equals to 3. So this is how it will work. Okay, so just you can just check it out that I am just removing this line and just run it. Oh, before running you have to compile, and okay, so I have not printed yet, so just print out answer. So now run. So this is 55, and from your basic mathematical classes you know that if I want to add this first 10 natural number, then it will be 10 multiplied by 10 plus 1 divided by 2, and let me just print it out, and then you can see that both are correct. So these are 55 and this is the actual result is 55, and this is simple. Similarly, if you want to do something like let me ask you to calculate the factorial. So for factorial, let me just another answer. So answer 1, and just initiate it with the value 1, because factorial means we have to multiply successively. So for that, just let me I is equals to 1, then I is equals to less equals to 5. Maybe if I want to calculate the 5 factorial, then 5, then I plus plus, then enter, then answer 1 equals to answer 1 multiplied by I, and then see out answer 1 and enter. So what is the 5 factorial? 5 factorial is 120. So just run it. Oh sorry, it will not work. Run it here in the terminal. So yeah, so this is printing 120. So this is how you can just compute factorial 2. Okay, this is TWO2. So factorial of 5. So if you just change it that 4, then it will, the answer will be changed to 24. So because 1 multiplied by 2 is equals to 2, 2 multiplied by 3, and that is 6, 6 multiplied by 4 is equals to 24. So that is how it works. Okay, so this is how you can do the for looping. In my next video I will discuss about another kind of loops which will depending on some conditions. Okay, so here we know that from where to where I have to iterate, but in some cases there will be different conditions, like at some condition, if that condition is satisfied, then just stop the code or stop the looping, then you have to do something else. So that is called while loop. In my next video I will discuss about that. Okay, so for today, bye bye, and subscribe and share. Thank you.